Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and I'm here to have a conversation with you all about mini albums. And that is because some of you have noticed I make them a lot now. I believe it is because here in mid-Michigan, it is still snowing. It's March, almost halfway through, and it is currently snowing right now. And we're all getting a little stir crazy in the house, and I'm just looking for projects that keep me busy and keep my mind off being stuck in the house. And mini albums are time consuming and they're engaging and you can think and figure things out. And so this is my way of not becoming a Michigan winter crazy head person. So today's mini album is a flip book, and this was so much fun to make. This collection is from BoBunny. It's the Petal Lane. Really cute. Pink and black is such a great combination. It's fresh and it's springy, everything we don't have here right now. And it is a mini album and it is a flip book. So let me just walk you through the cover. I used a very cute little charm, and I've attached it to the twine so it will wrap around and hold this cover together. And it has just a little flap, and now you can see the whole front cover. So if I'm honest, I want to say I feel like I probably could have put some spacers on here, but it is getting bulky, so I just elected to use a chipboard sentiment from the collection pack, and I've layered it over cut aparts and added this lovely little bow made from stitch satin. There's a doily, some flowers that coordinate, and twine, and then I have more or less copied the flap over so it still looks the same even when it's open, and that makes it even more coordinated. So I'm going to start flipping the pages. Hopefully I will keep everything in frame, because once you start going, it gets bigger. So this is, I guess that's the back. I'm already lost. Okay, so in each of the pockets, I have added a pull-out tag, which just has a larger section for pictures and journaling. And it increases the real estate in the book so that you can really add a lot of stuff in there. Here is a tip-in. This is one of the cut aparts, and I've just got it layered over top of the larger, it's a 4x6 journal cut apart from the collection pack that is layered with two colors of matting. So I've got that like pastel pink and then black. And then for this side, I've got little sweet polka dots. So each one of this is an envelope flip book. So each one of these has a pull-out with a coordinating paper. And this particular page has a pocket. And I've got two tags inside. One that's the larger cut apart and one that has a tag shape. This would be a great place to add journaling. And they just go in the pocket. So now this page has the coordinating paper, and I think it's really a good way to get a lot of detail is by adding the border strips to the top and bottom, and that even stretches the paper if it isn't quite big enough to cover your whole sheet. I'm just covering the portion that will not interfere with the envelope pocket being used, so this portion is slightly narrower than what would be on the outside. And then for this page, can you still see? Okay. Another tip in, but it's gonna go up, and then I've put another tag in here with this sweet little bicycle, and this has the coordinating papers on the back too, so you can tuck that in there. And you could put tickets or any kind of flat mementos, little keepsakes in the pockets too. Now, if I fold it up, I can flip it this way, I think. should have wrote that down. So this one has a tip-in that's on the top as well, but it's larger. That's nice. Put more stuff in there. And then I just added a little clip to it. And then this one, should probably just go that way, right? Has a band with a journal tag, a sweet little flower cut apart, and then this larger tag, which was the largest of the cut aparts on the inside. So I've got that in a pocket behind the band so you can see all of the layers at one time. And then it's nice too, this one is lined already, so you could write on that and it would look very nice. So the back cover has the last larger cut apart, and this would be a nice place to add a nice sentiment, or if you're gifting it to someone, put some, you know, details about what it is or who made it or what occasion it's for. So that is my flipbook mini album. I'm going to roll it back up here so that you can see all these sweet little goodies are tucked inside. Once again, this collection is Petal Lane from BoBunny, and I will link that in the description below along with our social media sites. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram and our Etsy shop and our blog. So I'll leave that all in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.